can just click on this and you would see the performance data related to your application. So again, this would show you how your application is performing overall and each transaction, how they are performing over time. And if you click, for example, on any one of these these transactions, now since we are on the performance tab, the performance metrics would show up on this drill down. Now, this is the order checkbooks transaction, which is listed here, and it would show you the transaction response time. You can trend as many applications, as many transactions as you want, and you can remove the ones which you are not interested in. So right now we do not have any problems with the order checkbook, so let's remove it and compare these two transactions, and we can see that the money transfer set amount transaction is in a warning status, and this one, which is critical, is taking like 14 seconds and even more at times. At 8:05 p.m., this is the data capture for this transaction. Now, if you want to drill to these transactions, you would see the transaction breakdown on the basis of where the server requests are taking most of their times. Whether it is the client time, it is the download time, or retry time, each one of those would be graphed here. And if you click further on that, it would show up, right now it does not have that data, but it would show up each and every component breakdown here. Let me show you a better graph which has those breakdowns enabled. So as you can see here, that the entire transaction is broken down into different categories. Like this one is the download time. It is taking this much time in download. This much is the SSL time, and this much is the connection time. And if you click on one of these bar graphs, you would see each and every component of your transaction, how much it is contributing to the response time overall. So these are categorized on the basis of the components existing in your business transaction. So if we go back on this layer, on this graph, it would show you backend layers, or where it will divide the information on the basis of the tiers, whether it is spending more time on the web tier, or it is spending more time on the business tier, or on the outbound calls. So here you would get an overview of which layer of your application needs to be taken care of. So we can see that mostly it is taking time in the web tier, so we need to fix something on our web server, so we need to check why it is taking longer on our web tier.